Welcome to the Amazon, the largest and most diverse jungle in the world, where mysteries unfold. Blend with the majesty of nature. Today we will not only explore its imposing biodiversity, but also the secrets of the most isolated tribe, the Yanomami, the most extraordinary and 5 curiosities that simply do not exist anywhere else. In addition, we will discover unique rituals, nocturnal animals, and even how the Amazon is connected with space. Did you know that the Amazon has a direct impact on the global climate? Stay tuned until the end, because there are surprises here that will change the way you see this green lung. The Amazon is home to over 100 uncontacted indigenous tribes, but the Flecheros of the Javari Valley stand out for their extreme independence. These men and women live in a remote region of Brazil, far from any modern influences. They have never used technology or seen a car. For them, the forest is all they know and need. Hunting and gathering are the foundations of their livelihood, and they have developed tools and techniques that are a reflection of thousands of years of adaptation. The decision to remain isolated is not just cultural, but a matter of survival. The introduction of common diseases, such as the flu, could be devastating to their fragile immune system. In addition, the forest offers everything needed to live in harmony with nature. In their world, life is not separate from spirituality. Every tree, animal, and river has a deep meaning. This intrinsic connection has allowed the Flecheros to thrive without relying on nothing external. Although some governments protect their territories, external threats remain real. Illegal miners, loggers, and diseases pose constant risks. However, their knowledge of the jungle, passed down from generation to generation, allows them stay one step ahead. The Flecheros are a living reminder that there are ways of life completely different from ours, which deserve respect and protection. The Amazon is a place where reality surpasses fiction. One of the most fascinating curiosities is the meeting of the waters. This phenomenon occurs where the dark water Rio Negro meets the brown water Rio Solimões. These two rivers flow side by side for miles without mixing, creating a stunning visual spectacle. The difference in temperature, density, and speed of the waters explains this unique phenomenon. Another oddity is the vampire fish or kangaroo, a small creature that has gained notoriety for its unique behavior. This fish, although small, is feared because it can enter body cavities attracted by the smell of urine. Although encounters with the kangaroo are extremely rare, its reputation has inspired respect and some fear among the inhabitants of the region. In the rainforest we also find the walking tree, known as Socratia exoryza. This tree has aerial roots that allow it to move slowly to search for better light or nutrients. Although this movement can take years, it symbolizes a unique adaptation that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. And what about flying rivers? This phenomenon occurs when trees release a massive amount of water vapor that turns into clouds that travel across the continent. These invisible clouds feed the rains in regions such as the Pantanal and the Plata Basin, demonstrating how the Amazon acts as a natural climate regulator for all of South America. Finally, there is the Jesus lizard, famous for its ability to run on water. This small reptile, which seems to defy the laws of physics, uses its speed and the surface tension of the water to escape from its predators. It is a true spectacle of nature that you will not find anywhere else on the planet. When the sun goes down, the Amazon reveals a completely new face. The sounds of the nocturnal jungle. They are a chorus that includes predators, insects, and fascinating creatures. Among them are the glass frogs, whose transparent bodies allow you to see their internal organs. These tiny creatures seem straight out of a dream and are a testament to the incredible diversity of the jungle. The jaguar, the most feared predator in the Amazon, is also active at night. This majestic animal is not only the king of the food chain, but has a significant significance spiritual for many indigenous tribes. With a bite capable of piercing the shells of a turtle and a caiman's skin, the jaguar is an expert hunter who masters the darkness. Finally, There are the phosphorescent insects that light up the jungle with their bioluminescence. These insects are not only a visual spectacle, but play important roles in pollination and ecological balance. Their light, which seems magical, attracts other creatures and shows how every element of the Amazon has a purpose in the great cycle of life. The Amazon has a surprising connection with outer space. Every year, tons of dust from the Sahara travel thousands of kilometers across the Atlantic Ocean and end up in the jungle. This dust, loaded with phosphorus and other essential nutrients, fertilizes the soil of the Amazon, contributing to its impressive biodiversity. Without this transfer of nutrients, many areas of the Amazon would be much less fertile. In addition, the trees of the Amazon release so much oxygen and water vapor that they influence weather patterns. The Amazon is a world of globalization. This process is so significant that astronauts can observe from space the way the rainforest regulates the climate. Some have even described the Amazon as the green backbone of our planet, underscoring its importance to Earth. The rituals of Amazonian tribes are a window into the past and a reflection of their deep connection to nature. One of the best known is the use of ayahuasca, a psychedelic drink used for visions and spiritual healing. Guided by a shaman, participants seek answers to deep questions about their life and purpose. In the Satirma tribe, young men must undergo a unique initiation ritual, putting on gloves filled with bullet ants. These ants have a sting considered one of the most painful in the world. Enduring this challenge symbolizes the passage into adulthood and demonstrates the young man's commitment to his community. Through these rituals, tribes not only do they strengthen community ties, but they also preserve ancient traditions. These practices remind us that there are many ways to understand life and to find balance between the human and the natural. The trees of the Amazon are the true titans of the jungle, reaching heights of up to 80 meters. One of the most imposing is the Samama, known as the Tree of Life by indigenous tribes. Its enormous and visible roots not only stabilize the soil, but also store water, functioning as natural reservoirs in times of drought. For many communities, these trees are sacred, as they are believed to connect heaven with earth. In addition to their size, these giants have a crucial role in the carbon cycle. They absorb massive amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to reduce the impact of climate change. Without these trees, the global ecological balance would be at risk. Their leaves, when falling, enrich the soil and allow new generations of flora to grow, demonstrating how every component of the rainforest is interconnected. Interestingly, trees also talk to each other. Through an underground network of fungi known as the mycorrhizal network, they exchange nutrients and chemical signals. This system, dubbed the Internet of Trees, is an astonishing example of natural collaboration that has allowed the Amazon to thrive for millennia. Among the dark waters of the Amazon rivers lives one of the most enigmatic creatures in the world, the pink dolphin, or boto. These freshwater cetaceans stand out not only for their peculiar color, which intensifies with age, but also for their unique abilities. They can turn their heads 180 degrees, allowing them to move precisely between river obstacles and flooded forests. In indigenous legends, pink dolphins are magical beings that transform into humans to interact with riverside communities. According to these stories, the boto, the Amazon may take the form of a handsome man to attend parties and then return to the water at dawn. Although these legends are part of folklore, they reinforce the deep spiritual connection that the tribes have with the animals of the Amazon. These dolphins are also key indicators of the health of the ecosystem. If their population declines, it could be a sign that the waters are polluted or that food chains are being altered. Therefore, their protection not only ensures the survival of a fascinating species, but also the balance of an entire ecosystem. Are you fascinated by everything you are discovering about the Amazon? If so, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to continue exploring the most incredible corners of the planet. Don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss the next chapter. The Amazon is home to many species of birds, each with a unique role in the ecosystem. From the colorful macaw to the stealthy harpy eagle, these creatures are not only spectacular to look at, but also vital for seed dispersal. By consuming fruits and flying long distances, they help regenerate the rainforest, ensuring that new plants grow in different areas. The toucan, with its enormous beak, is another protagonist of this environment. Although it seems disproportionate, its beak is an effective tool for accessing fruits in hard-to-reach places. This unique design makes it a symbol of adaptation and efficiency. But it's not all vibrant colors and melodious songs. Some birds, such as the urutau or ghost bird, have an almost supernatural appearance and a song reminiscent of human laments. These sounds have inspired legends among local communities, who see in these birds omens or messages from the spirits of the jungle. Surprised by everything the Amazon offers us? Remember that this wealth depends on its conservation. Share this video with your friends and family so that more people know the importance of protecting this natural wonder. Together we can make a difference. If this trip through the Amazon has left you wanting more, subscribe to the channel right now and leave us a comment about which part fascinated you the most. Help us continue creating content that inspires and educates more people about the treasures of our planet.